Ingredients matter. At Bona, our approach to green chemistry is a science-based mission to research, test, and study ingredients and systems that contribute to more sustainable products. All of our cleaning products are formulated to be safe for homes and the people who live in them. And while there's more work to be done, we're making progress. In the U.S., 10 of our floor and all-purpose cleaning products have received Safer Choice certification from the EPA. These enhanced formulations are crafted with plant-derived ingredients, use water-based and biodegradable solutions, and are free of parabens, formaldehyde, ammonia, phthalates, and phosphates. Now, for the second year in a row, Bona has been awarded Safer Choice's Partner of the Year, affirming our shared commitment to creating and promoting safer products for consumers. It's another step forward to creating a clean and healthy home and a better world for future generations to come.